Hi, we are AI Playtesting. We are creating an AI playtest agent that could learn how to play turn-based card game and help balance it. The reason we pitched this project because we really want to resolve the problem that playtest is very resource consuming. To play as a board game or a card game, it requires the playtester to play the game many times and provide clear feedback after play it. Our AI playtest agent can help the designers with that. Just within one click, the AI can play the game over 10,000 times and provide detailed playtest data to the designer.
One of the reasons this project is really interesting is because of the machine learning and AI. The question then arises, how does the AI work? The AI uses a very popular branch of machine learning called reinforcement learning. The simple concept behind reinforcement learning is that we want to reward good behavior and punish bad behavior. The AI plays tens of thousands of games, and at the end of each game, it looks at the sequence of cards played and the reward it got at the end. There is a +1 reward for winning and a -1 reward for losing. It then propagates this reward to all the cards in the sequence, discounting it a little the farther it moves back. It aggregates a card's reward in a given game state over all the games it plays, and then learns to predict this reward using a neural network so that the next time it encounters the same game state, it can correctly predict this reward.
We also explore how to bring AI into game development. We chose a published game named The Slate Spire, and then tried to develop a game with its rule sets. When we develop this game with AI as playtester, we feel it's very different from the games we developed before.
So what is the difference? In traditional case, we only have one game implementation for players. In our case, we also have one implementation for AI, which focus on figuring out the strategy, and another implementation for AI playtesting to simulate games and get data. For real production, we combine these three implementations. We maintain a single copy available in different situations. How it works? We divide this into a backend and frontend. The backend includes a database to store the game data, a gameplay implementation based on the database, and an AI module using the gameplay. The frontend will use Unity to render the graphic interface. We use Electron to build interface for designers. For data visualization, we use D3.js to help. By doing this, we plug our AI playtesting into the traditional game development.
So I'm going to introduce the workflow of our prototype. It contains 3 steps: design, training, and playtesting. On the design step, you can build your decks by adding or deleting cards. If you want to play the game by yourself, you can click on the play button. It's opening a Unity project that you can try it out. On the training step, you will trigger an AI training session with reinforcement learning. Through iterations, AI is going to learn how to play the game with best strategy. After the AI is trained, it contains knowledge to play cards well. AI will playtest the deck many times and generate statistics for you, like the win rate, game length, card analysis, and card relationship. Hopefully you will find some insights, and then you will go back to the design step to repeat the cycle